on this useless piece of paper. I run through that just once again. Life ain't been so easy and nothing came for free, so I took what I take was best for me. Yeah! Troubles and matters, I had problem with the matter, and never since one tried to set time. But that older I got stronger, got a little bit conscious, realized I was fine just for fun. And every time I found reputation, my music was there for me to show me that way. Keep the sun and keep on moving on like, hey, a letter to myself. A letter to myself. Keep on rocking. A letter to myself.